Hello guys, today I want to show you how to sign up as Uber Eats delivery driver. So first head over to Google and click on Uber Eats delivery driver. Click on the first link that shows to you. Click on Get Started. Now just click on Continue with Google. We'll continue with Google account here. Just type in your mobile phone number. They will send you a code here to your mobile phone number, so make sure it's correct. Click on Next. Click on Agree. Just click on here. Next. Click on Next. Click on Choose. You want to earn with Uber Independent Driver or NCC Driver. We will choose Independent Driver here. Click on Continue. Now, complete these steps to complete your registration. So, driver's license. You got to take a photo with your phone, and they will ask also to add a profile picture. Professional driving qualification, professional driving registration. So just fill in these informations and add tag settings. You can also add the company registration certificate. So complete these steps and you should get to go to become a Uber. It's still every day. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment.